Hey guys, it's BiggestAGFanEVer here, back again, and today I am in my basement, which sadly means that there's going to be echoes throughout this video when I do like talking bits, and I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do about that. There is a reason why we are in the basement today, and that is because I'm going to be restoring my best friend's American Girl dolls. My friend is going to be moving, and she's not really into American Girl dolls anymore, so she asked me if I could restore her old dolls so that way she could sell them. And I said, of course, one, it would make great content for you guys to watch, and two, I actually really enjoy doing this stuff. So, the first doll that I'm going to be restoring today is Miss Molly McIntyre, and you guys all know how much I love Molly, so that's why I'm doing her first. There are probably going to be a couple different episodes in this series of restoring dolls that I haven't really come up with a name for yet, but I will come up with a name later on. Let's get started. Okay, so voiceover Allie here. Now, to start off, I decided I would wet her hair with a spray bottle and brush it to get as many of the knots out as I possibly can. This way it'll make it easier when it comes to washing her hair. When it comes to washing her hair, I washed her hair with baby shampoo with lukewarm water. I did get her wig cap wet because her hair has never been washed before, but if you're doing regular maintenance, I wouldn't suggest doing that. You can see I plugged the drain, and that was because I wanted to see how dirty the water would be because she's never had her hair washed. For conditioner, I just used a really moisturizing conditioner and I let it sit a bit, and then I rinsed it out and dried it with a towel. Now that her hair has been washed, I'm just going through again and brushing it to get out any knots that came from washing and drying it. Now I am taking a magic eraser, and this is just any old magic eraser, and I'm going to be scrubbing her skin with it. You can use baking soda and water, but I find that it leaves the doll's skin a little gritty because the baking soda kind of sits on the skin and then you have to like wash it off, and then the baking soda, then it's wet, it's like complicating and it's a hassle, and I don't like it, so I just like skip it and go right to the magic eraser, which gets off almost all of the stains. Like, you'll see in the before and after pictures later on how many stains this doll had, and magic eraser got rid of all of them except for one. So I'm just going to do the same process of wetting the magic eraser and scrubbing, and then like rinsing the magic eraser in the water until all of her limbs and her face is completed. I just wanted to stop and show you guys, look at how disgustingly gross that magic eraser is. Now that her body is clean, I am going to be attempting to put her braids back in. I am trying to get them as close as I possibly can to the original. You saw there that I just took a toothbrush and smoothed out her hair. I was doing that so that way it would get rid of any of the bumps or the pieces that were shorter to put them in their place. And her hair is still wet. I also brushed it a bit, and I'm just trying my best to braid it as tightly as possible. And once when it is all braided, I poof out the pieces a little bit to make the braid look a little bit more full, which Molly has thicker full braids. Okay, so here is my friend's Molly doll. And just so you guys know, this is my Molly doll, so that way you guys can't say, oh, that's just your Molly doll right there. But nope, this is still my best friend's Molly doll because it has the zip tie, and mine does not. So I am going to be undressing my Molly doll and putting the clothes on this Molly doll so I could take photos. So now I'm just going to show you guys some before and after photos. I had a lot of fun, like a lot of fun, making this video and fixing her up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video because there are going to be more videos like this in the future. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to drop that like so that way I know. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that way you don't miss any more videos in this series or any other videos that I make in general. So I will leave you guys to the before and after photos as well as the photo shoot that I had with her. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!